Ryan Taylor Natural Remedies presents the top 10 foods that boost the immune system against invaders. The immune system is a collection of natural defenses which protect the human body from pathogens and disease. This system protects us against invaders like viruses, bacteria, fungi, parasites, and other foreign particles that could damage your health and make you sick. Unfortunately, nowadays people have weaker immune systems because they consume too many junk foods and do not get enough nutrients into their diet. In today's video, we are going to explore 10 of the best foods that strengthen your immune system so that you can help protect yourself against harmful microbes. These will also help you to fight off existing infections faster with less side effects. Before we dive in, however, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on. This helps me to reach more people with nutrition and health tips. This video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Number 1 is garlic. Garlic is the number 1 most potent superfood when it comes to protecting the body against diseases and infections. It contains a powerful sulfur-based compound called allicin, which has been shown to be stronger than antibiotic drugs. Eating fresh, raw garlic is excellent for helping the immune system to destroy viruses, bacteria, mold, fungus, parasites, and yeast. The second food on our list is bell peppers. Did you know that eating 1 whole raw bell pepper is enough to meet your daily requirements for vitamin C? Eating these regularly and other foods rich in vitamin C helps to speed up white blood cell activity in the body. These are the immune cells that actively seek and destroy pathogens like viruses and harmful bacteria before they can do too much damage to your body. Some other excellent sources of vitamin C include berries, leafy green vegetables, and sauerkraut. Food number 3 is wild salmon. It is highly recommended to consume wild-caught salmon on a regular basis to support the immune system. This oily fish is rich in natural omega-3 fats called DHA and EPA, which actively strengthen the outer walls of your cells. This helps to protect your cells from being infected by viruses and harmed by other types of invaders. Coconut oil is up next. Did you know that eating foods that are cooked in vegetable oils cause inflammation in your body and weaken your immune system? However, raw coconut oil has the opposite effect and has a high smoke point, making it an excellent choice for cooking. Raw coconut oil contains monolaurin, an extremely powerful antiviral compound that destroys the outer envelope around viruses so that they can effectively be killed off. The medium-chain fats in coconut oil also help to build stronger cell membranes in order to protect your body from infections. Don't underestimate the power of beef liver in number 5. Although beef liver is unappetizing to many people, it remains one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Absolutely loaded with vitamin B12 and iron, beef liver helps to build healthy red blood cells, which carry oxygen and nutrients throughout the entire body, which in turn aids the protection of trillions of cells. You can get beef liver in the form of a pâté, or ask your butcher to mince it and have it mixed with regular ground beef to disguise the flavor. Coincidentally, beef liver is also loaded with the active version of vitamin A called retinol. This strengthens the mucosal cells in your nose, sinuses, and airways, which can help block viruses and harmful bacteria from entering your body. Number 6 is sauerkraut. 70% of your immune system is made up of friendly bacteria that live throughout your body, especially in the gut. You have trillions of friendly microbes which make nutrients and also help the body to make antibodies to viruses and other pathogens. Unfortunately, junk foods, artificial sweeteners, and antibiotic drugs kill off your friendly microbes, which can weaken your immune system. Eating a side of sauerkraut 2 to 3 times per week feeds the friendly microbes in your gut because it's loaded with both prebiotic fiber and probiotics. It's also one of the richest sources of vitamin C in the world, containing over 700 micrograms per cup. That's over 7 times the daily requirements. Other fermented foods which support your microbiome include kimchi, pickles, Greek yogurt, kefir and miso. Next up is pasture-raised eggs. Eggs contain all the building blocks of life and are loaded with immune-boosting nutrients. The yellow yolks are rich in active vitamin A, which strengthens the mucosal lining of your sinuses, throat, airways and stomach. This mucus captures and traps foreign invaders before they can infect your cells and damage your body. Opt for pasture-raised eggs instead of the cheaper variety, as these contain higher levels of omega-3s and vitamin E, which also support your immune system. Number 8 is the all-powerful bone broth. Historically, humans would always consume bone broth made from stewed and boiled animal bones. This actually played a role in human evolution in strengthening the joints and connective tissues of the hands. Drinking this liquid on a regular basis supplies the important amino acids, collagen and minerals that the immune system needs to stay strong and healthy. These raw materials are used by your liver to make glutathione, one of the strongest antioxidants that protects against inflammation, autoimmune diseases and infections. 9. Oysters. Oysters are one of the richest food sources of zinc, which is the most important trace mineral for your immune system. Getting adequate amounts of zinc in your diet can help to increase T cells. These are a part of your white blood cell army that fights off pathogens and targeted invaders. Eating 3 oysters is enough to meet your daily requirement for zinc. However, you can also get bioavailable zinc from crab meat, lobster, mussels and shrimp. Last but by no means least, avocados. Refined foods like sugar, flour and cereal grains weaken the body's defenses because they raise the blood sugar very quickly, which depletes key nutrients. However, eating avocados helps to replenish the body because they are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats and potassium. These nutrients help to balance out your blood sugars and strengthen the pituitary gland in your brain. This stimulates the release of more T cells, phagocytes and natural killer cells, which attack viruses and harmful bacteria in your body to protect you from infections. Keeping your defenses high. Now that you know some of the healthiest foods to support your immune system, I want to share with you a few extra tips to stay healthy and protect your body long term against viruses and harmful infections. Sleep. If you don't sleep for at least 7 to 9 hours per day, then you're much more likely to catch a cold or suffer with a disease. When you sleep, your brain releases melatonin, the most protective antioxidant in the body for repairing and restoring the trillions of cells. Not getting enough sleep raises your blood pressure and puts stress on the nervous system, which in turn weakens the immune system. If you struggle with sleeping, I've put a link down below to my video on how to improve your sleep. Fasting. If you're eating frequently through the day, such as snacking and grazing, you aren't giving your body the chance to rest and digest. Long term, this weakens your immune system and makes you more vulnerable. Intermittent fasting is a simple diet technique where you eat the same amount of calories in the day, just closer together. For example, you could eat all of your daily meals in a 5-hour window and allow your body the remaining 21 hours to fast. This has an enormous impact on your immune system because it reduces inflammation, oxidative damage, and stimulates the repair of DNA and white blood cells. Fasting also triggers autophagy, a process where your body cleans out viruses and old dead proteins and recycles them into new healthy tissues for a stronger overall body. Stress. Mental stress and anxiety causes your adrenal glands to release cortisol, which is very destructive to the body in large amounts. Long-term stress weakens your immune system and viruses tend to come out of remission, such as the cold sore virus, for example. You must find ways to keep stress extremely low if you want to keep your immunity high. Gentle exercise such as weightlifting, long walks in nature and physical work are all great ways to help relax the body and release stress and tension. Summary: the immune system is your first and last line of defense against pathogens, so it's important to keep this strong if you want to live a long and healthy life. Nutrients and natural compounds found in whole foods provide the materials that your immune system needs to fight off harmful invaders. Getting adequate amount of sleep and keeping your stress levels low also contributes to the resistance of viruses, bacteria, fungi, mold and parasites, as well as preventing autoimmune conditions and the growth of cancer. For the top 10 herbs to kill viruses and clear mucus from the lungs, click on this video here. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.